Welcome to Greg Ellis TV Daily. Hope you're having a fantastic day. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Someone has purchased the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro already. I don't want to show a photo because I think Samsung will copy strike the channel because the actual items aren't out yet. But I wanted to talk about the stem. The stem, here is the AirPods Pro 2 version and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. You can see how long the stem is on here. The stem on the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro looks longer than this, and it goes basically almost to the end of his ear. You know, it's in there, and this one kind of does too. So it looks a little bit longer this. I wouldn't say it's as long as the original Apple AirPods, but it looks like almost in between that and this, but closer to this. Which it will have functionality, I believe, the stem of it. But some of the things that the guy ended up saying was that the active noise cancellation was on par, at least in his opinion, with the original AirPods, which I felt like the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 had better noise cancellation than the original AirPods. The other thing that he mentioned was that the bass was really, really thumpy, and it was like a strong bass overall, so it was on the higher side of what to expect. Again, just one person's opinion, but still, I'm excited to get my hands on these still. Stem kind of long or not, a design that's like the AirPods or not. I would have liked it, I guess, them to do something different, but you know what? Let's see how these roll out. They might be the best, they should anyway, be the best sounding buds ever from Samsung. Talk about bad news Monday. Our next story has to do with the Galaxy Ring and the price that potentially is going to roll out with this. And it is pretty high. And when you think about it, if you end up buying, say, a Galaxy Z Fold 6, a Galaxy Ring, some Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, a Galaxy Watch 6 Ultra, you're spending thousands of dollars. And this is before any trade-ins. Trade-ins obviously would reduce that some, but you're still gonna pay over, you're gonna spend a lot of money. A lot of money. And a lot of people probably won't buy all the products that they put out on the higher end of things, but still, it's insane how much money you're gonna spend if you end up getting all of these. So here's the information that's being leaked out about the Galaxy Ring, and that is French portal site Dale Labs via WinFuture may have gained pricing information about Samsung's first smart ring. It claims that the Galaxy Ring will go on sale in France for 449 euros. Whether that price is exact or slightly inflated by third-party retail sources is unclear. Now, what do I think the price is actually going to end up being? I think 449 is a weird price, especially here in America. I would expect it, knowing that we have something along those lines, I would expect the price to either be $399 in America or no more than $499. But I think it's going to end up being $399 in America plus tax, and it's still really expensive. It's a first generation product. Not to say first generation products put out by Samsung are bad, but it's going to get better obviously as time goes on. They're going to add updates. And I also don't think this is going to be one of those pieces of tech they're upgrading every single year. I think this would be a piece of tech maybe they upgrade every 2 or 3 years, maybe longer. But I think it will be something that is, you can buy it and I think you can feel safe for at least more than a year that this won't be upgraded every single year. What do you guys think? If this ends up being the price or not, let me know if you'll still buy it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road. Peace.